Can an AI tank really end all wars? Did you know that over 100,000 people lose their lives to armed conflict every year? What if technology could make this a thing of the past? Let's dive in. Welcome to Pixelated Reality, where we explore groundbreaking innovations. Today, we're uncovering how AI-driven tanks could revolutionize warfare, potentially saving countless lives and reshaping global peace strategies. War has plagued humanity for centuries, with devastating consequences for both soldiers and civilians. Traditional methods of warfare often rely on human judgment, which is prone to error and emotional bias. Despite advanced weaponry, we still face the same challenges: high casualties, prolonged conflicts, and costly aftermaths. Isn't it time for a change? Enter the AI tank, a marvel of engineering designed to reduce human involvement in combat. Equipped with state-of-the-art sensors, this tank can assess situations in real time, make strategic decisions, and even neutralize threats with precision, all while minimizing collateral damage. The AI tank operates autonomously, analyzing thousands of variables to determine the best course of action. It's not just about firepower, it's about intelligent conflict resolution. Imagine a battlefield where human soldiers are no longer at risk. In this scenario, an AI tank detects enemy forces, deploys a non-lethal response, and resolves the conflict without a single life lost. It's not just science fiction, it could be our future. The AI tank represents a leap forward in military technology, offering a glimpse at a future where conflicts are resolved with minimal human suffering. Could this be the key to ending wars as we know them? What do you think about AI in warfare? Could this technology truly bring peace? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out our other videos on cutting-edge military innovations. See you next time.